Mm.
Right. He's I. We got a team? Two teams, apparently. Hmm. No. No, it's two teams. Oh, we all came in the same building?
I need a scope. I need a stock.
There's an M16 on the bottom floor, bro. Oh, you got one. Mm-hmm. Oh, these guys are sweaties, bro. When they're moving.
Help!
About that, bro. I was kicked out of my game.
Marked a location.
What a Scorpio.
Yikes. Just be careful. They're on the roof.
You got people on us? Oh, I see smoke here. Somebody threw smoke just below
Marked a
us.
location.
That was me.
Who was it, you? Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Just to cross over.
Help!
oh shit.
Come
People on
back.
the roof. Over here.
Marked a
I got
location.
you.
Yeah. Shit, don't worry, don't worry. Don't show yourself. It's two. One on this side building and one
Watch
on
for the
the.
push, PG. Do I get the res?
Yeah, they coming?
Thank you.
Coming? Careful. Inside this building. Oh, he's right there.
Watch out!
Nice. Fire.
No. They dumb.
Shit.
They jumped out the window?
Yeah, I was low, bro.
Oh, they're so
Sorry.
stupid.
I need consumables.
There
Thank
they
you.
go.
Sorry, bro. Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah, good job, PG.
that's intense.
They're pushing.
Watch out!
Yeah. They're close. Oh shit, it's 3 of them. One is in my building.
Yeah. Yeah, one there. Got him, he's down. One there in the window, so. Oh, nice,
They're all
bro.
dead.
Yes.
All dead. You guys are
Yes.
idiots.
Nice wipe. Yo, careful, bro. Noobs. Absolute noob.
Marked an enemy's death crate.
Nah, okay. Oh no.
Anyone wants an 8? Yeah, that's great. Mark.
Yeah.
Marked
there's
an
an
enemy's
8 there.
death crate.
Anyone? Now there's an SLR. Guess you can put an 8 times on that. Nice. Oh, Render. Come on, bro.
People here in Razhak.
Not good. Stop.
Help!
Ah, damn
Oh
it.
no.
There was a whole team in one area, bro.
Oh shit.
They're right there, right there.
Yeah.
In the house.
Yeah,
Why
watch
do
out,
people
watch out, watch
just
out. One is peeking out here.
Watch out!
I thought they were across the street, but they
Okay,
were on
someone
this
shoot him
side.
from behind. Someone shoot him
Yeah,
from
school,
behind.
Help.
Oh
school,
shit.
bro, school.
Oh shit. From school, yeah, school.
Get the res.
Nah, don't worry about me, bro. Don't worry about me.
Keep backing up out of the way. Because they're probably gonna push it far. Bro, like they were, I pushed to that side, like where I died, and they were across the street.
You can
And
res
as
me?
soon as I
Oh,
stopped,
shit.
bro, there was
Alright,
2 of them
alright,
right by the house.
Watch out, these guys,
It's so
Got
stupid
it
the way
6
they
times in
can
my
and not
crate.
move, bro.
You can loot my crate if you need to. 6 times. You got it.
Yes, a little higher. Yeah, that should be good, I think.
Yeah.
It was only 3.
Awesome.
They're not
Awesome.
Lovely.
good. They were just literally camped in that
Thanks.
building that I got out of. Where I died. Yeah.
Yeah. Throw Molly or Nate. Yeah, it's probably good.
Who knows if you push back or what.
Yeah.
Just watch your back.
Come on, the tree or some motorbike. Hey. Yeah.
He most likely ran back if he's not nowhere near here.
Nah, he's probably just camping.
I swear, bro, the way they camped in that building is crazy. That small ass building.
Yeah.
It's a freaking street. That's where they were, and then boom, two of them just came in that building. The person that I saw.
Campers, bro. Noobs, bro. They're just noobs, bro. They're scared. Oh, there's a plane. Those guys from school will probably be pushing just now. Let's see where zone plays off.
I'll be right back, bro. Just wait for me. Just
Yeah, they're for sure gonna be pushing, bro. If we can get a good position on them. That's a whole squad. Damn. Yeah, I just think you should go to zone, bro. Holy. Yeah, you saw that guy what I was saying? Yo, he was camping. I knew it, man. Bruh.